Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Confirm iCloud and NoteSync are active so the change propagates. Make sure you know your Apple ID password or have your device passcode ready. Apple uses these to verify you. Open Settings, go to Notes, then Passwords to initiate the reset. This is the first actionable step because without verification you can't change lock note credentials. Once you open Passwords, the device will prompt you to authenticate. Follow that prompt to proceed into the reset workflow. Once authenticated, choose Reset Password to create fresh lock credentials. Understand this does not decrypt existing notes locked with the old password. Enter a secure new password and add a concise hint you'll remember. Make sure to enable Face ID or Touch ID if you want quicker access. This stores a local unlock method, not the password itself. After you save, new locks use the new password. Previous locked notes remain encrypted until you unlock them with the old credential or Apple ID recovery where available. Finish by creating and locking a test note to confirm the new password and biometric unlock work. This verifies sync and settings. If older locked notes are still inaccessible, try unlocking them with the prior password or use Apple ID recovery options if offered, otherwise they remain encrypted. Make sure your device is updated and signed into iCloud so changes sync. If you encounter errors, restart the device and update iOS. That often resolves authentication or sync issues and prevents lock state mismatches.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.